followed by monosporic development of a female gametophyte. What does the word monospore means? Mono means one. Okay. So, out of the 4 megaspores, 3 degenerates. So, we had 4 megaspores. Okay. Now, 3 of them degenerates and 1 develops. Thus, this is known as monosporic development. Okay. So, out of the 4 megaspores, 3 degenerates and only 1. Remember, only 1 remains functional, which develops into a female gametophyte or embryo sac, and it is called monosporic development. When the embryo sac develops from single monospore, it is known as monosporic embryo sac. So, we are done with our answer. Mono means 1. So, out of 4, only 1 is functional, and thus it is known as monosporic development.